Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get insight to the hosting or the trip that you have just reserved on Airbnb. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So basically after you logged into your account, you will need to go to your trip. So you will need to know the check-in rules or the check-in instructions, so you can to get the keys to get inside the home or the apartment that you have just reserved. So basically you need to go to trips, and then you will need to choose the trips that you have just do or the reservation that you are searching for, and then here you will find in the reservation details, you will find something concerning the check-in and check-out instruction. And after that, you will see the method or the way or the instruction that you will need to do to have the keys to get inside the home. And then you will be able to get inside the apartment or the hosting that you have just reserved on the Airbnb. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.